Welcome to this meditation for becoming motivated. Everyone can set aside a short time each day to increase your motivation, face your fears, and experience your true worthiness. You, in fact, are truly priceless. All that you need to do is relax, breathe, and follow your inner guide. Utilizing daily meditation techniques, instill within you simple methods of awareness that benefit every aspect of your life. Daily mindfulness practices can be done at any time of the day, and it's highly encouraged that you do not skip a day in order to fully experience the great changes that you are making to your life by doing so. Breathing is the most important thing that we do. It is keeping us alive. Yet most of us do not notice our breath all day, and some even for several years. That's why it is so crucial to our physical and mental health to oxygenate our bodies fully and consciously. So let's take 5 deep and full breaths together. Holding it for 5 seconds at the top. 1. Fully inhale positive energy. And when you exhale, just let go of your breath, taking you into a state of relaxation. 2. Inhaling goodness and exhale into relaxation. 3. Inhale acceptance and exhale any judgment. 4. Inhale health and clarity. And exhale into serenity. And 5. Fully inhaling desire and achievement. And exhale into complete relaxation, letting go of all concerns from daily life. This is your new solution to facing your fears. Whenever fear presents itself, you simply take 5 full, deep breaths, holding it at the top of the inhalation for 5 seconds. And when you exhale, blow out any fears that you feel. When you take in your last breath, imagine you are breathing in courage and strength. And while letting go of your last breath, say to yourself, I am relaxed. For some of us, worthiness does not come easily. Sometimes it's hard to even imagine feeling deserving. Yet worthy is the state in which we are born, and most of us just simply need to be reminded. You are born invaluable, priceless, and praiseworthy. So let's remember that feeling now, and just allow yourself to feel worthy during this approach. Imagine that you are a tiny baby, and there are people surrounding you that love you. They wrap you in blankets to keep you warm and care for you when you cry. Just imagine how you feel as a baby, worthy of this care and love you are being given. Good. This tiny baby deserves to be cared for. This tiny baby feels good in their spirit and body when their worth shines out and is appreciated. Now imagine that you are holding this tiny baby, noticing how they feel small but powerful in your arms. You feel dignified because you are in the presence of pure worthiness, and that in turn makes you feel worthy too. Honored to share the love between you and this baby as you hold this pure goodness. Honor this moment. Cherish this feeling. Good. Now hear yourself saying, "It is natural for me to feel worthy and to honor the worthiness of others." Each day, in every way, I feel better and better. In order to make change and motivate myself, I challenge myself. Change is not comfortable. In fact, it is inconvenient. So if I feel comfortable with the changes I am making, I am probably not extending myself enough. When I have a fearful thought, I acknowledge that I feel this way, and then I completely release it. And when another fearful thought arises, I catch it quickly and I say with confidence, I acknowledge that part of me that feels this way. But this thought does not help me right now. It is just a thought, after all. Each day, in every way, I feel motivated and strong. Whenever I am presented with feelings of being undeserving, I know my breath is there to soothe me and guide me into relaxation, releasing this unpleasant thought. Every single day, I become more aware of all of the good things going on in my community and in the world around me. When I feel an unwanted emotion holding me back, I know that the way to break through is to take several deep breaths, relaxing my mind and body by doing so. This way, I can clearly see things for how they truly are. Each day, in every way, I face my fears. I now challenge them with courage. In order to make great change, I control my thoughts effectively. From now on, I challenge every single negative and unproductive thought that arises. My intentions are pure. Very well done. From this point forward, whenever you feel yourself having negative or unproductive thoughts, such as "I am unmotivated," you will immediately say to yourself the word "enough." Let me repeat this so that it is perfectly clear to you. Anytime you find yourself having a fearful, negative, or unproductive thought, you will immediately say to yourself the word "enough." And the very moment you say the word "enough," you will find that these negative thoughts you are having will simply disappear. This gives you the opportunity to start a new and positive thought process. When you are ready to begin building a new positive thought process, begin this technique of awareness. Just become aware of your body now. Notice a gentle wave of relaxation sweeping over you. Feel how your body feels when you pay attention and really feel this wave of relaxation that you deserve to feel. This makes you even more relaxed, calm, and clear. You are a crucial factor in the forces of love. You are indispensable. You are a valuable energy radiating worthiness. You are the key to unleashing fearlessness. You are irreplaceable. You are extremely useful, extremely helpful, and fully motivated. Your courage is of the utmost importance. People notice you, and you compliment them honestly, and you are appreciated. Good. You are doing very powerful work by practicing this meditation daily. This is the way you change your life for the better.